Welcome to Edelweiss Mutual Funds Galaxy platform for Distributor. In this video, we will learn how an MFD can share the online KYC application link with investors. You can follow the on-screen steps to generate the KYC link and understand the process investors need to complete. To log into Galaxy, visit www.edelweissmf.com. Switch to the Partners section from the top menu and log in using your ARN number and PAN. Click on Zero Balance Folio to create an investor folio. Enter the investor's PAN. In the first step, the investor's PAN KYC status is checked. If the PAN is not KYC compliant, a KYC application link will be generated. You can copy and share this link with your investor. Please note, only resident individuals can complete KYC online. NRIs and non-individuals must submit a physical application at the nearest branch. The KYC link can be shared via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. The investor opens the link, enters the details, captures image, completes OTP verification, and submits the application. To complete online KYC, the investor should keep the following details ready: PAN, date of birth, email address, mobile number, Aadhaar number, DigiLocker credentials, and signature on blank paper. The investor enters name, date of birth, email address, and mobile number. An OTP is sent to authenticate these details. This is the first OTP in the KYC journey. Overall, 5 OTPs are required. On the next page, select KYC mode DigiLocker Aadhaar XML from the drop-down. Other options are available, but DigiLocker is the simplest and fastest method. Review and accept the declaration. Next, sign into the DigiLocker account using the registered mobile number. Enter the 6-digit DigiLocker PIN. A second OTP is sent to the mobile number registered with DigiLocker. Select the Aadhaar and PAN verification options. This allows DigiLocker to share proof of identity and proof of address. Please wait while DigiLocker processes the request. Do not close or refresh the window. The investor must capture a photograph as per on-screen instructions. Before clicking the photo, enter the code displayed on the screen. Review the details fetched from DigiLocker. Under Document Upload, 2 options are shown: PAN, optional, and Signature. Select Signature to proceed. This is an important step. The investor must upload or capture the signature using the camera. To capture, sign on blank paper and hold it clearly in front of the camera. Next, the investor eSigns the application using OTP. Select email or mobile to receive the OTP. This is the third OTP in the process. Review the application details carefully. Accept the declaration and confirm the application. This is the fourth OTP verification in the KYC journey. Review the final application summary. Enter the Aadhaar number. This is the fifth and final OTP. Once verified, the KYC application is successfully submitted and the investor is redirected to the Edelweiss Mutual Fund website. KYC processing takes up to 2 business days. You can track the KYC status by visiting cvlkra.com, selecting KYC inquiry, and entering the PAN number. Thank you for watching. For any queries or assistance, please write to us at distributor.amc@edelweissmf.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully.